Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Look, actually, for a long time now, a lot of students have been telling me, sir, do one thing. Just show me your all-time payment proof once. Just show me once how much total amount you have withdrawn all time, what has changed, how you do business. So I am about to show you some of my dashboards right now, which you can see. Alright, here I am going to show you my complete income proof, and I have just opened a dashboard in front of you. In this, I am showing you all the details of my monthly earnings first. Alright, so you will get to see everything one by one, and whatever income proof I have, the total amount I have withdrawn or whatever transactions I have done, I am showing all of that right in front of your eyes. Okay, so I have collected the complete payment proof from my team. I said, hey, do one thing. Whatever work we've done on CPA marketing or affiliate marketing since 2021 to 22, and whatever we've withdrawn, which is approximately $1.5 to $2 lakh, make sure every single thing is presented in front of the students with proof, one by one, right before their eyes. Look, we haven't been able to pull out all the payment proofs yet. Right now, we've only managed to get about 30 to 40% of our payment proofs. I've already shown you ClickBank a long time ago. I've shown you PayPal income proofs many times, which are payment proofs from different CPA sources. You've also seen our $67,000 PaySell payment proof once. You've seen every single thing of ours, so we're showing you everything properly, in a proper way. So what you're seeing now is for 3 months first. After this, I'm also going to show you the all-time stats on my Smart ADV. So right now, as you can see, every single thing, step by step. This is our entire invoice, every detail, and the report is actually showing everything properly. A lot of students also say, sir, nowadays everyone in the market is just using permanent inspector elements. So that's why I thought, let's refresh everything and show every payment proof by opening each page one by one. We'll show it to you with a date as well, so you don't feel like it's just some payment screenshot or anything like that. Whatever the reality is, whatever is absolutely clear, I'm putting that in front of you. That's more important. Now, we'll open up our network even more. Alright, I'm opening up my second network here as well, so you can check that out too. I'm showing you every single thing, real-time payment proof, monthly payment proof, everything. This one's a bit less, because, you see, we actually work on multiple networks. So me and my team, we work on multiple networks. So that's why it makes sense to show payment proofs from all of them. That's why I'm opening up each account and properly showing every single one to you. Alright. I can't show the offer here, bro, because I cover that in my paid batch. I have every student work on it there. So that's why, look, I can't show the offer. But yes, how to work on this, we already use Google Ads for everything related to it. I've already explained everything about each aspect. Now, let me open another network in front of you. Alright, so you can see here, bro. Okay, now we're going to show Guru Media on top. This is also performance. Alright, besides this, Guru Media, I'm going to show you everything because, bro, I've worked on multiple CPA networks. It's not just one particular network that I've worked on. Perform CB, CB Advance, Smart ADV, you're also seeing Guru Media here. I've worked with a lot of networks like these. So, the sales for this month are the sales you see here. Apart from this, I'm going to show you every single thing, not just the main stuff, but even the smallest details. Alright, so here we're showing you everything for all time, so you can see my income for all time. What the income is, what everything is, I'll show you every single thing step by step, because honestly, the situation was such that I had to show it. I actually didn't want to show this stuff. But you know what happens, right? A lot of students have been commenting saying, sir, you're not showing your full payment proof. You're only telling us a few things. So because of that, I wanted to show you all the payment proof here. So you can also see the payment proof for this, how much amount we withdrew, how much we earned from which offer. Everything is right in front of your eyes. I'm showing you everything by referencing and opening all the accounts in front of you. Generally, I never used to show my accounts. But still, since there were a lot of requests from students, I thought, why not show everything step by step? So today, I'm going to show you about 30 to 40% of my amount, which I've recently earned on CPA networks, affiliate networks, or market call, Basically, on whichever CPA or affiliate network I've worked on recently. I thought, why not show everything properly just once, so that every student can see everything in the right way. So, this is all from my recent work. Apart from this, I'm showing you everything, every single detail, from all time, right in front of you. All time income is coming in front of you right now. Whatever we've withdrawn, whatever little we've earned, okay, we earned it through hard work. And I'm showing you every single thing, very particularly, how to properly run Google ads, or Facebook ads, or how we ran native ads. We worked on a lot of different things. Look, basically, I'm just trying to explain one thing. If you want to earn from CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or any type of digital marketing, then there's one thing that's most important. What is that important thing? The important thing is that, bro, you'll have to run ads. You'll have to chase after page ads, so you can also see the income from this. Apart from this, I'm also taking on more networks right now. Now, just take a look at everything we've done from 2022 till now. What haven't we done? So I'm showing you that as well. I'm deliberately showing you this all-time data because we've been running page ads since 2022. And when you run a page, results automatically start coming in there. And look, the main game of digital marketing is only when you can actually get results. Look, there's one thing I can say with full confidence. If you come to me with an investment of 10 to 20,000, just keep your investment between 10 and 20,000. Alright, I'm telling you this with a guarantee. I've already shown you by actually earning. You just let me know through these networks. I'll refund every single rupee of yours. I'll refund you 200%. If I can't show you earnings from here, then fine, I'm saying this with a guarantee. The main thing is, look, you'll have to work. Bro, you'll have to invest between 10 and 20,000. The investment itself is awesome. You invest between 10 and 20,000. And if you want results, you ask me for the results. I'll show you the results myself. I'll make you do the work yourself. I'll have you run these ads yourself. Everything is right in front of you. It's completely practical because so far, with a lot of effort, there's been practical profit. You can see the performance right now as well. Everything here is practical. I'm going to show you everything in real time. Whatever it is, it's right in front of you. Whether I earned a little or a lot, whatever it is, it's right here. And this is just 50%. Apart from this, if anyone wants to see, I can even show you Antex and PayPal. Alright, I can also show you Market Gun accounts worth $60,000 to $70,000. Okay, look, these days I give the most preference to PayPal calls because, brother, there's zero competition for me in that. Compared to CPA, there's way less competition in that, and you can easily make that amount. That's why I focus so much on PayPal calls. But CPA isn't useless either. You can also earn through CPA. You can also earn through affiliate marketing. But bro, you'll have to invest. Until you invest, you just won't be able to get results. So the main point here is just this. You can also check the earnings from this network. I've shown you the all-time stat. Let me open the second account. Alright, you can check this one too. There's some issue coming up. Just a second, there's some issue with the password. I'm requesting the OTP. Hold on for a second here. It's stuck now. What issue is coming up? Alright, I'll get the OTP through my number. I'll have the OTP sent to my number. Right now, I'm opening the account in front of you. Just a second. The account is opening. Wait for 2 minutes. So you can check this one as well. Alright. Just a second. It's almost done now. So look, right in front of your eyes. There's no inspector element or anything. Everything's fine. Whatever I'm opening. Everything is being opened right in front of your eyes. Alright. So basically, look, now a lot of people will ask here, sir, why don't you just do it this way? Look, my main focus here is that I'm building a community. I'm launching my own paper called Network in December. So I need funds as well, and I also need a team that I can train to help grow my network. So in a way, I'm being a bit selfish here. But this is how things are done. So I'm just creating a community, and I want those people to come to me who are willing to work hard, and my job is to deliver results for them. And I'm going to provide you with a reason. You can even see my performance results. Whatever it is, it's fine. I'll show you everything openly, all the time. Now here, you still have a few networks left because it's been quite a while. The video has already reached about 10 to 10.5 minutes, so let me show you a bit more. I'll show you a couple more networks, so you can also see our all-time stats here. Whatever it is, it's right in front of your eyes. Alright, I'll select everything in just a second. Let me select from 2021 once. My earnings here were around $30,000. Whatever came in, about $33,000 or so. So let me just select everything in a second. I think from 2017, but actually, even here, the main data is only from 2021. So whatever it is, I'll share everything right in front of you now. Whatever we have here, you can see it right before your eyes. The earnings here are also completely clear. So now, guys, please don't ask questions like, "Sir, show us your earning proof." Alright, so I put everything from A to Z right in front of your eyes. I'll also show you CPA, affiliate, and market calls. I'll even show you ClickBank. So that's what it is, alright? Besides this, you already know that I mostly work with direct clients. Alright, so for the past 3, 4, or 5 months, we've been working with direct clients. So from here, we used to make $18,000 to $20,000 monthly. Actually, with direct clients, that amount is a bit higher, so we're mainly focusing entirely on that now. Alright, so right in front of you is ClickBank. As you can see, this account hasn't made much. I've already shown you the previous account in full. Alright, whatever it is, you can see it here too, so this was the amount here. Apart from this, you can check out a few more accounts as well. This is our Express Revenue account. Actually, I don't have access to it right now. There's a bit of an issue with it signing in. It won't be able to open right now. There's some problem with it. I can't find the password. So let me do one thing. I'll open another account. Here, take a look at this. Apart from this, I'll check market call. No, let's check another one once. Here, I'll show you the invoices. What all we've got. I'll show you the invoices in Express Revenue. Actually, I don't remember if it was on this Gmail or the other one. But I'll show it here as well. Whatever invoices we've received. Alright, look, whatever it is, I'm opening up everything and showing it to you one by one. Now, bro, it's up to you. If you want to believe it, believe it. If you don't want to, then don't. Whoever wants to trust can trust. Whoever doesn't. This is the market call dashboard. This is my third account. Here, we withdrew about $3,500. Apart from this, there's another account. From that one, I withdrew around $1,600 to $1,700. There's one more account from which I withdrew $1,800. So, as we use multiple accounts, whatever comes in through these multiple accounts, that's all there is. Alright, so look, it's a simple thing. I've already shown every single payment proof. If you look at the payment proofs, 50% of them are already complete. What I was about to say is, there's about $150,000 to $200,000 that we've given to the team. Obviously, I have a team as well. So we've withdrawn through the team. You guys, if you work hard, even if you don't get all of it, but manage to get even a quarter, your whole business will be set. So that's all I want to say. Alright? I believe, look, learn things, apply them, and practice them. The results, my brother, will come automatically. Alright, those who have an investment of $10,000 to $20,000, contact me, and I am going to give you guaranteed results. Thank you.